We were just playing with some of the Pfaff eyelets that are in this machine. Not just a regular eyelet, but there's decorative eyelets to go along with it. But the next subcategory over, we're in the utility stitches. Subcategory number 5 is darning and Bartack options. So let's do the Bartack option number 3. That's the standard one. But then you have 4, 5, 6, and 7. So on this one, let me show you how you can do, let's just do the regular Bartack. It's going to do 10 millimeters long. Let's use the start stop button. It's going to stitch down, back, and then over it with a satin stitch. Oh, and it's done. But let me show you how you can make it longer. And as you'll see, is you get exactly the length you see on screen. And it does. It stitches down, back, almost like 2 railroad tracks, and then it zigzags over it. And that's why it makes it so secure. So if you got pockets or places that are going to get pulled on, put a Bartack where those seams might want to come apart to reinforce it. So right down here where it says 10 millimeters, as you make it longer, it changes the length on screen as well. So if you're like, yeah, that's about the length that I want, we're just stitching it out just easy with the regular foot. And then before you know it, it's actually done. That's how fast they are. But look, there's some other fun Bartack options. If you touch the question mark, they're just called decorative Bartacks. Great for pockets to add a little bit of extra funness to it. Let's just go ahead and stitch that as well. So I'll stitch the little triangle and then come back and stitch the Bartack over that particular position. And I think you'll see why you want to stitch all these stitches out, because they truly are unique. And I think when you see them stitched out in thread, they look a lot better than just showing on your screen.